GOVEE Curtain Light Pro, 960 LEDs, RGB-IC, over 250 different scene modes. This is what the curtain lights look like, and you can get crazy effects like this. Really nice, easy to set up. What you have in the box is your power adapter here. You have your control switch over here that connects to your GOVEE curtain lights. Now there's 2 control modules on it, and there's 2 ways to mount it. You got these, so you can mount these and hook these onto the lights, or you can use these things right here, which I think is more seamless installation. These will stick onto your wall, and you can also drill holes to it. Then you can mount the curtain lights onto this, and then you can close it so it looks really clean. And at the end, at the bottom of the GOVEE curtain lights, you have these that keep them all together so they stay nice and stranded. But that's it. That's a quick unboxing of the GOVEE Curtain Lights Pro. These are an upgrade from the GOVEE Curtain Light 1 and still an upgrade from the GOVEE Curtain Lights 2. These are the GOVEE Curtain Light Pro. Very simple setup, but amazing effects. Oh yeah.